Hi everybody, it's Janet and we're at day 9. Yay. And what are the miracles that have been going on in your life in these last 9 days? And I hope, again, I'm always going to remind you because repetition is really good. That's how we change these neural pathways. Just make sure that you're doing your all your little things that you can do to be able to align you with your passionate life, with that which will really magnify your greatness to come out. That's what this 30 days is all about. So thank you for doing that and giving that to you. So today is all about creating the life of your dreams. And creating the life of your dreams is actually, it's like creating a house, right? So what do? It begins with, you got to begin with putting it down on paper, don't you? I love writing it down because writing it creates a level of clarity, because you can erase the things you don't want, right? You can put in the things that you missed, and then you create your plan. And then from there, you make a blueprint, and then you construct your magnificent life. So today, what I'd love you to do is to write out your 100th birthday speech. And your 100th birthday speech is really a blast, and you're really going to love this. So what it is you're going to write it as if someone that you love, that you just adore and who adores you, is there at your 100th birthday. And there are all your friends and all of the people that you just, adore, and they're celebrating your magnificent life, your 100th birthday. And this person that you adore gets up and starts sharing with everyone all about the wonderful things that you've accomplished, that you've been able to do, the amount of love that you've been able to share in your 100 years. So let's write that 100th birthday out and just have a blast doing it. Make sure you just don't leave anything out. All the things that you'd love to do, you'd love to be, all the things that you'd love to have, and it begins with, putting in, of course, your top 5 passions. So thank you for doing your work, and we'll see you soon. Bye.